some of the features that ChatGPT Plus users enjoyed for so long, of course paying $20 a month, some of those features now everybody will be able to enjoy. But before you run and cancel your plan altogether, not so fast, because it's really limited. Hi, I'm gonna go, and for those who subscribe to my channel, I have an eye infection. Just pretend that I'm rocking the style like Casey Neistat with sunglasses. Anyhow, should you cancel your ChatGPT Plus? If you don't want to stick around to see what's the difference, the short answer is no, really? And you will see a lot of people making comments that, oh yeah, now you can just cancel. It's extremely limited. Plus, the thing which is they didn't necessarily mention, you don't really get any image generation. So just to show you, so you get access to data analysis, you can upload files. I uploaded 3 files, one file, which was OpenAI's video. It was 100 megabytes. It took it, and I thought that you can use vision to analyze it, and it said no, it can't analyze videos because it couldn't see the video that I uploaded, so I had to upload it again, and then it just reassured that it can't analyze videos. The last upload was image, because I was like, okay, if you can't analyze video, maybe you can analyze image. So it did. After those 3 uploads, which was probably like 200 something megabytes, but it's still 3 uploads, I got a notification that, hey, sorry, you hit a limit, you're being defaulted to 3.5. So yeah, so take it as what it is. Here it says that you can be discovering and using GPTs, not as of right now. You would be surprised when we're living in this like AI bubble. It feels, oh, everyone heard of ChatGPT, everyone upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. That's not true. Many people did not. The conversations I was having was about that, yeah, 3.5 is good enough for what I need. But I'm really excited that now more people will actually be able to at least experience what is GPT-4 or what is vision or browse. So here's the interesting part. OpenAI doesn't exclusively say what is actual limit. As compared to, for example, when you're on a Plus plan, you know that you can send up to 40 messages every 3 hours to GPT-4. And now you're going to be able to send up to 80 messages every 3 hours on GPT-4o. But here they don't say it exclusively. They just say that your ability to access GPT-4o is going to be dependent on the demand and the current usage. And if that's not available, free-tier users are going to be just defaulted to 3.5. As honorable as it sounds that, hey, everybody can use ChatGPT Plus, experience the best model, it sounds really nice. However, if you look from the marketing perspective, I think giving a taste of experience to more people and then driving them crazy because they constantly hit a limit, it's just like putting a carrot on a stick. So I think it's from the marketing perspective, it's a genius move to get more people to actually pay and subscribe to the Plus version. If you're new to ChatGPT, welcome. You're going to experience some of the features and probably going to get hooked, as all of us. If you're a ChatGPT Plus user and you've been paying, yeah, you're probably not going to run to cancel it because you already been hooked. And downgrading and being even more annoyed by the rate limits is going to just drive you crazy. So another big thing about ChatGPT was that now it's not just on a browser and mobile, but there is a desktop version. And desktop version is, it sees everything what you do on a desktop.
To tutor him on this math problem, but don't give him the answer. You can ask questions and nudge him in the right direction, but I really want to make sure he understands it himself. And he's here in the room, so you can talk to him directly.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Let's look at the problem together. Can you first identify which sides of the triangle are the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse relative to angle alpha?
Why can't you analyze the photos I'm uploading?
Sorry, an unknown error occurred. Please try again later.
Hello?
Sorry, an unknown error occurred.